Okay, I said in the other video that probably isn't out yet, but I was going to show you some of the things I've created. So today I'll just show you the garage stool. So I started off with a cast iron. This one says cock shut plow, company limited, and it's out of Brantford, Canada. Obviously it's cracked and missing some letters. Anyway, so I decided I want to make a chair, garage stool. So I had an old engine that was virtually garbage, and it was garbage. So I just took the connecting rods, nipped off the little ends. So if you look, this is like the factory edge here. I just kind of took a zip cut off the bolted ends, both on each side, approximately that much reveal. I took 6 of them, did that, and then I had a big industrial nut that I welded a stud through. Sorry, I have one that's out here because it broke, but you know, when you're making things at home, that's how it is. And then I just got threaded wheels that thread into it, so they were drilled and tapped, and I just got to fix this one fella. But I did buy, so you can see the abortion here that is. It does have a gas cylinder. I bought the gas cylinder, and the gas cylinder does work when you have enough weight on it. Press it down. There we go. So now it's down, so when you press it. So I bought the gas cylinder off Amazon. I used the other ends of the connecting rods. I welded one end on and just tightened it up. I did have to notch this. I think this is like a 2-inch schedule 40 pipe. And yeah, I just notched it to try to pinch it. It wasn't quite enough. I think you got to notch quite a bit deeper, but it doesn't matter. So then I had to do a fix to the bottom because the cylinder just kept sliding down. So I'm in the middle of diff builds. I just took one of the end adjusters off one of the extra diffs and just welded it to the bottom to stop the cylinder from coming to the bottom. See? So that's it. As for painting it, I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it yet. I think it's cool. It actually does slide around really good with the 5 wheels instead of the 6, but if that 6th wheel is where you're leaning, it will lean forward. So that will be a future fix. But there we go. That's one of my projects that I've done recently.